The color for September is New Gamboge by Daniel Smith. This is New Gamboge in their version. It's with PY97 and PY110. The closest one to New Gamboge is Da Vinci's Gamboge, which is a PY3 and a PY42. So if you can't get the Daniel Smith, the Da Vinci is really close enough. This is another color by Da Vinci called Soul Shine, which is part of Paul Jackson's set, I believe. And it's an orange PO62 and a PY97. And for comparison, this is Sennelier's Yellow Deep. It's a PY83 and a PY153. Here's some other colors. All Gamboges aren't the same. So Winsor Newton's Gamboge, as you can see, is a much more earthier color. It's more like a nickel azo than a New Gamboge to me. Here it is again. It's PY150 and a red PR209. Here's the Daniel Smith again. And here's some similar colors. These are golds. This is Gold Ochre by Winsor Newton. This is Nickel Quinacridone Gold by M. Graham. And these are other just golds, oranges really, that you can compare with. So here I've taken the New Gamboge by Daniel Smith and I've mixed it with Ultramarine Blue Deep by Sennelier, which makes this gorgeous earthy green. Cobalt Blue by Da Vinci makes this earthy, beautiful dark green. You can make these darker or lighter. This is with Cerulean Blue Chromium by Daniel Smith. This is with Lunar Black. You get this kind of a blacky green. And this is with Sennelier Red, just to show you the nice oranges that you can make with this color. This is my favorite yellow, and my students all know that this is my favorite yellow. I use it mostly for mixing landscapes, trees, and things like that, but you can use it for so many different projects. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful color. So there you have it for September, New Gamboge.